Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. I have the new ticket in Portugal. Extra, it's called Extra. Hola, buen día. Tenho nova raspadinha. Extra. Okay. I have the new version, nova versão. Sisang di 30 euros. 30 euro session. Okay, let's start with this 5 euro ticket. I have ticket number 13, 14, 13 and 14. What's going on? It's so dark. Okay. Matching numbers. I'm gonna use my sister in California. Eternity Lock Scratcher. Matching numbers. If we uncover the symbol 7x, we win 7 times the price shown. We're looking for in Portuguese numbers. 34, 28, 30, 43, 31, 13, 25, 23, 21, 14, 11, 19. No. Here we're looking for 7 symbol, diagonal, vertical, or horizontal. Okay, so this is not a winner. 3 like symbols. It's a winner. How much? 20! Nice, guys. 20 euro win. Wow. 20 euro is not bad, guys. 20 euro win. Numero 13. What's a lottery code for 20? Okay. G. Okay. 20 euro win. Not bad. I still have 3 tickets. 20 euro win and a 5 euro ticket, guys. Is nice. We're looking for this size 40, 13, 23, 18, 45, 41, 31, 25, 42, 32, 43. So, no. 7 symbol. Okay, so no. 3 like symbols. Okay, so the next ticket is a loser. Okay, not a winner. Am I right? I hope I'm wrong, but I'm right. Okay, so let's go to the new tickets. How to win on this ticket? Matching numbers. What are the rules here? Si encontrar o símbolo saco de dinero, if we uncover the symbol money bag, we win 7 times the 7 times, Lord mercy. 2 times the price shown. Si encontrar o símbolo saco de dinero, gana a cuantía correspondente a 2 veces el valor de premio. Okay? If we uncover the symbol clover like this, we win 20 prizes, all prizes. It's a win all in short. Si encontrar o símbolo tribo, gana todos os 20 premios indicados. I have ticket number 0 and 1. 0 y ohm. Come on, Clover. Okay. We are looking for 29, 39, 26, 33, 16, 18, 31, 42, no 40s, 28, ay, 29, 15, 34, 40, 23, 33, 19, 16, 14. Ay, they give me all the 40s. 38. Ay, Lord of mercy, 39. 21. 41. 47. Give me all the 40s, guys. I need 20s and 30s. Give me all the 40s. Ay, Lord, 44. 44. Ay, Lord, 46. 37. 24 y 22. Oh Lord, this is not a winner. Let's hope this is a winner. We are looking for 17, 36, 42, 11, 25. Come on, ticket. 21, 16, 19, 12, 46, 36, 15. I thought I have 15, guys. 49, 28, 35, 36, 28. Ay, Lord. 41, 14, 23, 25, Jesus, 27, 48, very far from reality, guys. 34, 4 chances. 22, 39, 2 chances. Ay, Lord, 31 y 13. Ay, shit. I don't win anything. Okay, I bought 2, guys, in this ticket. And I don't win anything. But I bought this in Lisbon, so I cannot chase this ticket. I bought in Lisboa. Okay? So I give 10 euro donation to Portugal Lottery. Okay, so I got 20 euro, guys, so not bad. I only give 10 euro donation. Okay? 10 euro donation is not bad, guys. It's bad, but not so bad. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada. Ciao.